I'm about to show you the world's first in making a spare key for a 2018 to 2026 Dodge Durango. So easy, you can do it right at home. We also have solutions for Durangos from all the way back to 2001 to 2026, and hopefully it keeps working as new model years come out. Before we jump in the vehicle and I show you how easy this is, I'm going to start a phone call to the Dodge dealership to find out how much they want to rip me off for to make a spare key when it's something that you can do right at home. And be sure you stick around at the end to see the magic of our key by photo key cutting service. I'm going to program the new spare key, the one with this blue key tag, using the existing key. It's important to know that you must have one working key that starts the engine. It's okay if some of the buttons aren't working, just as long as you can start the engine and drive the vehicle. Then you can use Tom's Key Company to help you make a spare key. Now, our original key has this tile key finder, pairs to your smartphone. We sell those on our website, so you can always pick one of those up so you never lose your key again. I'll use this programming tool, and this is unique, this special cable from Tom's Key Company. It's the world's first do-it-yourself solution for 2019 and newer Dodge Durangos. We also use this cable on a lot of other Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram vehicles, because in 2018, Mopar started making changes to make it harder to make a spare key. But we've got a solution for you to save a bunch of money. We're going to start by scanning the QR code on the programmer and get the app downloaded. First thing we need to do is plug this into the OBD2 port. Now you can go ahead and plug this in right away, but you're just going to have to unplug it because that's where the special cable comes in. So we're actually going to plug it into the OBD2 port first. To do that, come down near the gas and brake pedal, look around until you find the OBD2 port, and get this guy plugged in. Now we can plug in our programmer. We see that power is here. We can go ahead and continue. We've got to get it paired. There's a serial number on the back here. There we go. We see the pairing connection has been made. We've connected and paired via Bluetooth. I want to point out there is tech support you can call if you run into problems, Monday through Friday, regular business hours. Let's dive in and start programming. Calibrating the tool, please wait. Okay, we can scan the VIN, enter VIN manually, enter license plate number. We need to tell the programmer what kind of vehicle we have. This is a Dodge Durango in 2025. Perfect, continue. And it's a smart key system. It's important to note, you have to have the correct kind of ignition. We have a smart key program, perfect. It'll play a little video here. It's gonna show how to plug in this special bypass cable. This is what I'm super excited about because it's the world's first do-it-yourself solution for these newer Dodge Durangos. We'll take a look at plugging these in right now, and the app will show you some pictures of what it's supposed to look like when we're done. I'm gonna come over to the passenger side of the vehicle, and we're gonna take our bypass cable. We need to plug it in right back down here. On the passenger side, in the center footrest area, we're gonna pull back this padding. You might pop the trim piece out as you do it, not a problem. And look what we've got back here. You can see this wiring harness. We're going to take these little probes, they're not connected to the wire currently, and get them in position. Notice there are 3 wires. We're not going to be using the upper or right wire, that's the black one. We are going to use the middle, that's the white wire with blue stripes, and we're going to be using the left or bottom, which is the white wire with green stripes. To begin, we will take the black probe tip, find the center location, that's the white wire with blue stripes, and we're going to slide the probe right into the little white square. This black probe is now connected in the center little white square with the white and blue wire. Now we'll take the red probe. We're going to slide it in next to the white and green striped wire into the little white square. So this red probe will slide it into the little white square next to the white and green wire. So the red probe makes the electrical connection. With the bypass cable in place, we're ready to return to programming the key. Now, because this took a few minutes, I recommend actually backing out and hitting the smart key button over to start again. It's going to tell you about the bypass cable wiring. Yes, we've got it in place. It shows the pictures of how it's supposed to look, and now we can continue. A few important tips. Keep the app open while you're programming. Don't go watching YouTube videos, checking Instagram. You don't want to mess anything up with the app during programming. You want to make sure you've got all keys with you, both your existing working keys. In our case, we have the one working key, and we're programming one new key. And then the last thing Be sure you have a strong Wi-Fi or cellular signal during your programming process. Okay, we're ready to start programming. Please wait. Initializing procedure on our vehicle. Will this count us up to 100? Let's check back on that call to the dealership. Find out how it's going. Still waiting on hold. Let's get back in the vehicle and see how easy this is. Be sure you're not doing anything that drains the vehicle battery. Don't have the HVAC running. If it's a hot day, roll down the windows so you can stay cool. Don't have the heater going. Turn off the headlights. Don't have the radio on. You get the idea. We don't want to drain the vehicle battery. In fact, if you have a weak vehicle battery, you might want to put it on a trickle charger before you start programming. Okay, we are almost ready. Here we go. Preparing dongle for programming. Notice the Bluetooth light went out. It reconnected here on the dongle. Tells us our first instruction. Leave the ignition off and turn the hazard lights on. I'm going to turn on the hazard lights. Okay, we'll go ahead and click continue. Be sure to hold the new keyless remote at least 2 feet away from your phone during the programming to prevent interference. Okay, got my new remote. For the purpose of the video, I'll get the key way down here. Okay, we'll click continue. Please wait. Make sure the ignition is off before continuing. Yes, it is off. Continue. Configuring the system. Please wait. Reading vehicle data. Please wait. Okay, make sure your original key, working key, is outside the vehicle. All right, got my original key. I'm going to get it away from the vehicle. And original key is outside the vehicle. Continue. Configuring. Please wait. Make sure the ignition is off. Yes, it is still off. Engine is not running. Ignition not on. In less than 30 seconds, hold the unlock button on your new remote for 1 second. Okay, here we go. 1. I did it twice, and then I actually heard the locks click a little bit. Okay, continue. Configuring, please wait. So you might need to hit it once or twice. Success. New key programmed successfully. 1. Exit programming and test it. Can you believe how easy that was? The dealership wants how much money for that? All right, tells us it's a success. Let's check and test our new key. I'm going to go ahead and bring the existing key back in. Now we're going to unplug everything. Let's unplug the programmer. We're going to turn off those hazard lights. Here we go. We've got our existing working key. Let's check the locks. Beautiful. It still works. Let's check the new one. Oh, look at that. Isn't that amazing? Okay, now we need to test that they both start the engine. To do that, we first have to get both keys out of the vehicle. With the keys away from the vehicle, let's try to start the engine. Error message, it can't detect key. And it tells me to push the button with the key fob to start. Perfect, that's what we want. All right, now we'll bring the keys back in one at a time. First, I'm gonna test my original key, which is engine fires right up. Perfect. Turn the vehicle off. Let's get the original one out of the vehicle. And now for the moment of truth. Let's test the new key. Beautiful. Engine fired right up. Can you believe how easy that is? The hardest part was just connecting the wire. And the dealership wants to charge how much money and take 3 hours of time to do that? It's crazy. When you place your order, be sure to include the optional key by photo key cutting service. You're going to want this metal key blade cut because if your key fob battery dies or your vehicle battery dies, this bad boy will get you in the door so you can fix the problem. So after you place your order, simply snap 3 photos of the key. Be sure you turn it in between each picture and hold your phone directly above the key blade so it's nice and flat. You'll upload those to our website, and that's when the magic of our key by photo key cutting service takes place. We will cut your spare key at our factory so it arrives already fitting your vehicle. It is absolutely amazing. Can you believe how easy that was? We went from 1 key to 2 keys in under 10 minutes with the help of Tom's Key Company. And this little programming tool and our awesome cable that allows you to make a do-it-yourself project out of making a spare key right at home. Let's go back and check on that phone call to see what the dealership wanted to charge to make a spare key.
Your estimated wait time for calling. How can I help you?
Yeah, I was trying to find out how much it costs to get a spare key fob made for Dodge Durango.
For a Dodge Durango, one moment.
Thank you. Back to this amazing hold music.
It's going to cost $330 plus the fob.
$330 is the programming. Okay, great. And yeah, I do need pricing on the parts.
Okay, let me connect you to the parts department. One
Awesome.
moment.
Did you hear that? $330 just for the programming. Let's see what the parts cost.
How may I assist you today?
I was getting transferred to the parts department, trying to get a cost estimate on a part.
Okay, yes. And what vehicle is it for?
It's a 2025 Durango.
All right, give me 1 second. Let me see if I can get parts on the line, okay?
Awesome, thank you. I think I've been transferred about 4 times now, still trying to get a quote from the Dodge dealership. I'm at 7 minutes, still trying to get a cost estimate.
Hello, parts office.
Yeah, I'm trying to find out what it costs to get another key fob made on a 2025 Durango.
The V number handy?
Yeah, I do. 677.
Okay. The key itself is $245.
You said it was $245 just for the key fob. Does that include the metal blade that goes inside of it?
Yeah, includes the metal blade.
Okay. Can you believe that? $245 for the part, another $330 to program the key fob. That brings us to $575 plus tax at the Dodge dealership. That's absolutely crazy talk. Nobody should be paying almost $600 for a key fob from the dealership. Come to tomskey.com. You will save hundreds of dollars and hours of time by skipping the car dealership. You might wonder, what do you do if you run into problems while programming your spare key? Well, no worries. There's technical support available Monday through Friday, business hours, and you can reach out through help.tomskey.com, where you can email or chat with our customer service team. We'll help solve any issues you run into, and we guarantee it. If for some reason we can't get your spare key working, send everything back, you get a full refund. It is that easy. At Tom's Key Company, we're here to save you money so you don't get ripped off by the car dealership, and we back everything with a full money-back guarantee. Now, I want to point out, this special programming tool and cable are a rental product. So you're going to pay a rental fee, and at the time of checkout, there's a security deposit charged. That security deposit is fully refundable. All you have to do is finish programming your spare key and then return everything with a prepaid mailing label. Once we receive the programmer and bypass cable back, the security deposit is refunded. Unfortunately, we have to charge that security deposit because there are a few people in the world, not you, who just don't return the rental product. And so the security deposit makes it so we can replace any units that are lost. You can order everything at tomskey.com. Look for the Ultimate Key Bundle. That includes the key fob, the programming tool, and our Key by Photo key cutting service. It ships the full do-it-yourself solution right to your door so you can make a spare key in about 10 minutes without leaving home. Come to tomskey.com and place your order today. You will save hundreds of dollars and hours of time by skipping the car dealership.